Prepare to be swept away by a breathtaking beachfront retreat in Hawaii. Welcome to Wander Kona Bay. Aloha, I'm Frankie, and I'm thrilled to show you this 5-bedroom home that sleeps up to 10 guests in ultimate comfort and features 3 spa-inspired bathrooms. This home is a seamless blend of modern design and traditional Hawaiian elements. Indulge in luxurious amenities, including an in-ground pool with mosaic tiling, a spacious patio with a barbecue grill perfect for al fresco dining, and a chef's kitchen to inspire your culinary side. Every corner of this home exudes sophistication and relaxation. Wander Kona Bay has air conditioning all throughout the home and is located in a gated community with 24/7 security, ensuring a serene and exclusive experience to every single guest. Now, are you ready to take a peek inside here? Come on, let's go. As soon as you step on through those front doors, you will be greeted with gorgeous art pieces, such as this natural wooden piece up against the wall here that just connects to and speaks to the natural Hawaiian elements. But come on, let's head on further back into the open concept, open air California living room, where modern luxury meets island charm. Expansive and airy, this space is accented with high wooden beam ceilings, giving us a sense of warmth and sophistication. This by far is my favorite room within this house. It is absolutely stunning and exactly what you want when staying here in Hawaii. The plush, large sectional sofa invites you to just unwind and relax. Imagine spread all along here with some Mai Tais in hand, while the floor-to-ceiling windows and accordion doors frame breathtaking views of the surrounding Hawaiian landscape. This also opens up to our outdoor pool and patio. This blend of indoor comfort and outdoor serenity just truly creates your own private island oasis. Now, in this room, tastefully curated art pieces, and actually all throughout the home you're going to see those harmonize with the surroundings, giving you a sense of peace and tranquility within this retreat. And with Sonos speakers integrated all throughout the home, you can enjoy your favorite music within the living room, the kitchen, the primary bedroom, the entryway, and even on the outdoor patio, creating the perfect soundtrack for your stay. The chef's kitchen is a culinary dream, with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances seamlessly integrated into the kitchen's design, as well as warm wooden cabinetry that gives you a very inviting atmosphere. The center kitchen island with bar stools that seat 4 is perfect for more casual dining or perhaps entertaining while you are cooking. This kitchen is stocked with absolutely everything you need. We have pots and pans, dishware, coffee makers, a full entire spice rack, and not to mention stunning views of the crashing waves and the swaying palm trees while you're preparing a meal. Or you can have our Wander Concierge recommend a local private chef within the area to come to the house and cook up a gourmet meal for you and your guests, which I think is absolutely wonderful, especially if you are celebrating a special occasion or you're just looking for a break in cooking. Now, whenever you're ready to enjoy your meal, you can just step right on over to the polished wooden dining room table that has enough seating for 8, of course placed right next to those sliding accordion doors so you can get some fresh ocean breeze along with your cuisine. Or you can step on out to the patio for an al fresco dining experience where you will find a Weber grill, great for barbecuing, and a round dining table that has enough seating for 4 at these very unique hand-carved wooden chairs, which are another great example of the pieces within this home that connect you to your surrounding island nature. Step on out to the outdoor patio where you will be greeted by a stunning crystal clear in-ground pool lined with mosaic tiling that is absolutely gorgeous, especially with the sun beaming into the pool during the day. It just pops and sparkles. It also seamlessly blends into the horizon horizon, so you have those beautiful ocean views. Steps away from the pool, you will find an outdoor shower so you can rinse off and refresh after a day of swimming and lounging. You have 4 lounge chairs so you can bask in that hot island sun. And then you will find the outdoor dining space we saw a bit earlier, perfect for barbecuing and enjoying al fresco cuisine. Now, right behind the kitchen, you will find a half bathroom added for your convenience, and then a stacked washer and dryer. That's right, so you can keep your clothes clean and fresh while you are staying here in Kona. Now we're gonna go head up the stairs to take a peek at our primary bedroom. Let's go. The primary bedroom is an absolute dream. It is a gorgeous and luxurious retreat designed to engulf you in ultimate style and comfort. A plush king-size canopy bed here invites you to unwind, giving you the feeling of a resort retreat. Right behind the bed, you have a beautiful stone wall that is contrasted up against those exposed wooden beam ceilings, giving us ultimate warmth within here. And as an added bonus, we've placed wireless phone chargers next to every single one of the beds within the home, so you can stay powered up even if you forgot to pack your own charger. Now, right across from the canopy bed, you will find a cabinet with a TV placed inside for added entertainment and a spacious seating area perfect to just relax and unwind, having a peaceful moment with a good book in hand. But the best part about this bedroom is you have those sliding accordion doors that lead you on out to your own private balcony, complete with lounge chairs and a cozy dining table, perfect to enjoy your morning cup of coffee while the sun is rising, or perhaps listening to the soothing sounds of the ocean while the day melts into a breathtaking sunset. I mean, what more can you ask for? Now it's time to head on back into our in-suite primary bathroom that is a serene and spa-like sanctuary. This bathroom will indulge you in ultimate comfort as you step into the glass-enclosed shower with a modern rainfall shower head, giving you a rejuvenating and refreshing escape. But the highlight of this bathroom is, of course, the stunning freestanding bathtub, placed perfectly to give you those refreshing ocean views while you're indulging in a warm soak. I mean, can you imagine just coming back to the space after a long day of exploring the island, soaking in the warm water with a nice glass of wine in hand? I mean, what a perfect way to end a beautiful day here in Hawaii. Now, you have a floating double sink vanity with ample room to get ready, and the minimalist yet elegant design in here with the warm wooden accents and soft neutral color palette. This room just exudes so much tranquility and relaxation. In every Wander bathroom, you will find luxurious amenities such as high-end shampoos, body washes, we have vanity kits for you, and all of these are hand-picked to ensure the highest level of quality, exceeding your expectations. You can also wrap yourself up in the comfort of plush towels, robes, and slippers that we supply. And let me tell you, I always look forward to wrapping myself up in the comfort and warmth of a Wander robe. Now you have 4 additional bedrooms within the home, 3 of which have their own plush king-size bed, and 2 have their own private patio space. And the final bedroom has a bunk bed with 2 twin-size mattresses. Now all 5 of the bedrooms in the house have their own television for streaming entertainment, making this house perfect for larger groups and families because everyone will have their own private space that suits their own style. Now that's the interior of this stunning Hawaiian home, but here are some more features you should know about that will enhance your vacation. You can enhance your family vacation with Wander. We provide you with essential children's items such as high chairs, cribs, and kids' utensils and dishes within the kitchen. So those are just some items you do not have to worry about packing on your epic vacation. In the garage, you will find a mixture of fun and fitness. We have plenty of beach and pool toys along with beach chairs and snorkeling gear for underwater adventures. And if you're a fitness enthusiast, you will find dumbbells and yoga mats so you can stay on top of all of your fitness goals while you're staying here at Wander Kona Bay. If you're wondering the best way to get to Wander Kona Bay, the closest airport is Kona International Airport, located 9.5 miles away, making it about a 20-minute drive to the house. Because of this, we highly recommend renting a car while you're here to easily take you all around the Big Island, but you can can always opt out for an Uber or Lyft ride. Are you feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, then we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch right after this with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within this area. But are you looking for more specific help? Well, then our 24/7 concierge team is always available. Just message them at the number shown here on the screen anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you are planning a dream wedding, a bachelorette party, an epic family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create memories that are unforgettable. Head on over to wander.com/events and discover how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Well, thank you for joining me here at Wander Kona Bay, a true Hawaiian escape. We can't wait to welcome you here on the Big Island. Make sure to check out our travel guide next on all of the best things to do within the area. We will see you soon. Mahalo!